Hi friends, welcome to this Sunday reset video. Today I am bringing you along as I reset and prepare on a Sunday for my work week ahead. I like starting off with a slow morning, having coffee and breakfast and getting all the motivation to do all the things to prepare for the week. Something I love to start off with is washing all of our bedding. It feels really great to be able to sleep at night on Sundays with nice clean bedding. So I usually start off that right after breakfast, and then I'll also do our laundry and then try to wash all of the throw blankets that we have around the house as well. So I'm just starting off with our bedding, and then laundry will be going the rest of the day. After I get laundry going, I like to tidy up around the house, so I'm just putting the throw pillows back on the bed so it looks a little bit more put together, and then I'm just gonna tidy up anything else that's around in our bedroom and living room. I'm not doing a huge deep clean. I usually kind of split up the deep clean throughout the week or on Saturdays, so I'm just trying to make sure everything is nice and tidy so I can get other things done as well. There are always dog toys all over this space, but having that little basket in the corner helps keep them organized for the most part. And I'm just gonna tidy up the pillows here and then put some of the throw blankets in the wash. And I'm going to move on to cleaning up in the kitchen. We had some dishes from the night before. We had ordered pizza and had some friends over. And then we had the dishes from breakfast. And like I said, I'm not doing a deep clean or anything, but I'm going to wipe down the countertops and just make sure it's nice and clean in here. I love this little heart waffle maker. I always use it all throughout February, and I have one I think pretty much for each season. I have the little miniature ones that they sell at Target for like Easter and Christmas, and they're just really fun to make your waffles in, so definitely recommend those for a fun breakfast. I'm just going to wipe down the countertops and the stove, and then I've had those fresh flowers for a few weeks now, but they were dead and ready to go, so I'm just going to remove those and then add something else. I didn't get any fresh flowers this week, so I'm just going to add some like dried stems that I've had for a while since last spring, and it's still going to add a pretty pop of color in here. This picture is from Crate and Barrel, which I saw is on sale, so I'll link it below. And then I'm just adding these stems that are from Hobby Lobby. I love the little flowers on them and the pretty pop of color that they add, but it's still pretty neutral. And then I'm gonna add back this dish and then put some conversation hearts that I had and just add a little touch of Valentine's. Something that I always do on Sundays is create our dinner menu for the week. We don't always stick to it 100%, but I really like writing down what we plan to have just so it makes dinners a little bit easier. And then I write down our groceries of what we need to get for the week. So I just feel like this is a really organized way to plan out our dinners, and I always do this on Sundays. And then sometimes I'll go get groceries Sunday evening, or I'll just order them online, and then my husband will do a pickup Monday morning. And another Sunday to do is to organize my vitamins in this little container. That way they are ready to go and organized for the week, and I don't miss a day. Another Sunday must do is to clean out and refill the water container from the coffee maker, as well as wash our water bottles for my husband and I that we use throughout the week. So that way everything is clean and it's ready to go for the week. And I don't do this every Sunday, but sometimes I like to meal prep my lunches for work. So this week I'm doing some turkey taco bowls, which are really healthy and easy to make. I'm just starting off with cooking some quinoa, and then I'm using this to cook the ground turkey, which is super easy. It's just that siete seasoning with a can of Rotel. And then I just put all this in a container. So I'll do a little bit of turkey, quinoa, and some black beans. And then I'll add an avocado and some hot sauce. And then I'll usually take a really simple side salad, like with spinach and kale, and a simple dressing. So it really helps keep the work week easy with my lunches. I don't have to think about it. And it's a healthy option for the week. And the last thing we usually do on a Sunday is go on a long walk with our doggy Batman. This day we went to a really pretty park, and it was such a nice day and the perfect way to end a productive Sunday. And doing this reset routine just really helps me feel prepared and ready for the work week ahead. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and that you have a really great week as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.